Hello, I'm Dewi Aisa from English Language Education Department at Set Islamic University of Sunan Ampel, Surabaya. And now I'd like to present about research proposal. The title is The Use of Google Classroom as a Blended Learning Tool for English Learning Process in SMPN 1 Surabaya. For the first, background of study. To explore the use of Google Classroom to support blended learning, especially in teaching learning. And the second, research question. The first, how is the use of Google Classroom as a blended learning tool in SMPN 1 Surabaya? And the second, how students respond to the blended learning model using Google Classroom. The third, objective of the research. The aim of this research are: the first, the study is intended to explore of the use of Google Classroom to support blended learning, especially in teaching learning. And the second, this result of the study for the readers, especially English teacher and students, could get an information about the advantages of the use of Google Classroom as a blended learning tool. Scope and limitation of the research. For the scope, the study is the use of Google Classroom as a blended learning tool in teaching process, and the study limited on one level of student, especially in junior high school. 5. Definition of key terms. The first, Google Classroom refers to a regular tendency or practice done by people in order to doing online learning, which can be accessed via website or downloaded through mobile application. And the second, blended learning refers to combination or face-to-face learning and online learning. The third, English learning process refers to activities carried out by students and to achieve learning objective in English learning course at SMPN 1 Surabaya. Review of previous study. The first title is Pengaruh Blended Learning Berbantuan Google Classroom terhadap hasil belajar siswa SMA pada konsep gerak lurus by Suci Pratiwi Agustin. And the second, the title is Students' Perception on the Use of Google Classroom to Support Blended Learning for the Pengantar Linguistik Umum course by Studio FB Sibua. This previous study have covered blended learning for students in university and senior high school, especially in Java. Yet, researchers have not covered how is blended learning applied in junior high school. Research method. In this study, researchers used quantitative method, data collection techniques, and instrument. Data. To collect the data, researchers using questionnaire. Source of data. Students' final score of English classes at SMPN 1 Surabaya. Data analysis. After the data has been collected through research instrument test, the data processed and analyzed so that the result of this data can answer research question and hypothesis. And for non-test data analysis technique, the data processing manually using Microsoft Excel, which is calculated using a Likert scale. Thank you.